Alright, so tonight Garrett came over, we're hanging out, and after a couple hours the driveway is basically impassable in spots. We came back with the trailer and it was bad, so we're gonna go out and see if we can clean it up enough that his Kia car can get out.
Hey, yeah.
No, this would not be fun to get out with the car, no.
This is where she gets bad.
There's a little big seat here.
Real bad. Can't see for shit. We're gonna have to V through it.
Take this again.
Spot in front of us isn't the snowbank, that's the path forward to where we're going. Okay, so we are stuck. We threw this at a crazy speed and bust through, and we did bust through, but we're hung up pretty bad. That's doors up to the snow, and you can see how we're holding up in here. You can see the height of the snowbanks to the truck. It's pretty good times, I gotta say. But I mean, we cleared so much in this field. Guys, you just can't see on the camera. It just doesn't do it justice. I'm gonna have to come out here and get some footage in the morning to show you guys just how wild this is. So, alright, it is the next morning. We're gonna go and see how things were overnight because the wind didn't really die down all that much, but it changed direction today. And we're supposed to get a crazy blizzard that's about to hit us. There's a weather warning for Monday night. Anywho, we're gonna see how the driveway looks. So this was the mess from last night, right here. And we had to push all that open. It was fun.
So much fun to dig